Welcome to Tech Cookie number 4. As always, I hope this video finds you and your family well. The previous 3 Tech Cookies I focused on some of the services our library offers. Today I wanted to do a little bit of a different thing. I just wanted to give you a quick hands-on, more practical advice about our virtual events and how to join them. So we use a platform here called GoToMeeting. It's very similar to Zoom, but it is not Zoom. So if you have Zoom, you will have to get GoToMeeting as well. It's free. So I just wanted to quickly go over how you would go about doing that and how would you go about joining one of these events. So the first thing to do, and absolutely crucial, is go to montvillelibrary.org, and then once you get to our homepage, click on Event Calendar. When the calendar opens up, you're going to go ahead and you'll see the events populated here. You can actually go ahead to the next month too, but for now we'll stay in May. And let's say I wanted to join Nina's virtual adult knitting and conversation at 2:30 on Thursday, May 28th. I would go ahead and I would click this event right here. And then I would click Register Now, this button right here. And then I would fill out my first name, my last name, my phone number, and most importantly, my email. And it has to be a working email address or you won't be able to join the event. The reason for this is we need a valid email address to send you the login information for the event. So please make sure it's a working email address that you use frequently and that you type it in correctly. So give yourself, give it the once or twice over before you go ahead and click the register button down here. I'm not going to actually register because I don't want to take a space from somebody else, but that is how you would do that. Once you've done that and you've gone ahead and you've registered, if you go to your email, and I'll open up my email right here, you're going to get an email sort of like this. Now this is for a library board meeting tomorrow, but it'll be the same for no matter what event you choose. You're going to see a link here, global.gotomeeting.com/join, and then a number. This is the button or the link you want to click. I would say 10 minutes before the event is scheduled to start. This way you can get comfortable, you can get settled in. So that email is very important. Again, this is why we need you to give us a valid email address so we can send you the right information. Now, if you haven't installed the GoToMeeting software yet, you can just click this link right here, new to GoToMeeting, get the app now and be ready when your first meeting starts. You would simply click this link and it would install the GoToMeeting software on your Mac or your PC. If you have an iPad or an iPhone, you can also install the GoToMeeting app for free. You would simply search for GoToMeeting in the App Store, and you could also install it on Android devices as well by going to the Google Play Store and searching for GoToMeeting. That is essentially it. So just to review the steps, you're going to want to make sure you go to the home page, click on Event Calendar, select the event you're interested in attending by clicking on it, then clicking Register Now, filling out this form carefully and making sure you put down a valid, correctly typed email address, clicking Register. Then you're going to go look in your email and you will get an invitation with a link to join the meeting and also a link to install the GoToMeeting software if you don't have it already. Once you have the GoToMeeting software installed, you do not have to keep installing it. It's there. You just have to do it the first time. And again, you would want to click this Please Join My Meeting link about 10 minutes before the event is scheduled to start. That is basically it. So we hope to see you at some of our virtual events soon. If you have any further questions or need any further clarification, please email information@montvillelibrary.org, information@montvillelibrary.org, and we can reach out to you and help you out with any questions you might have. Have a great week and take care.